Hello and welcome to our project. What is CipherCopter? It is a dual-channel secure communication system. Why CipherCopter? Given the escalating need for a secure communication system, we designed our module to specifically address the vulnerabilities of real-time drone communication security, countering the potential risk by cipher threats. How does it work? Operate the drone. Capture real-time images. Graphical user interface. Display captured images. CipherCopter results. Enhanced data privacy and security, emergency response and safety enhancement. Cost-effective solution. Cross-industry applications. Thanks for watching.